Hey y'all, Bear here. It's Tuesday, time for camp cooking, and we're going uber simple this week. We've got 3 ingredients: oil, potato flakes, water. That's it. We're going to try a super simple potato cake and see if it works. I have no idea. And this is going to be part 1 of maybe 3. Maybe I'll do 1 a month. I have 3 different ideas for making potato cakes while we're backpacking. And this is the first one. It's just super simple to see if we can wet up some potato flakes and fry them in a little oil. So let's do that. Now, I looked at a couple recipes online, and one of them used 3/4 of a cup of flakes to a cup of water. So that's what we're going to start off with and see how this works. Now, when I was looking at different recipes, I initially thought, well, maybe we could use some Ova Easy, but the gluten's removed. And I think the gluten is what makes it a good binder. So no eggs, but I did get the potatoes with cheese. We've got smoky cheese and bacon, and I think the bacon, or not the bacon, I think the cheese might create a little bit of a binder for us. All right, so that's 3/4 of a cup of the flakes and a cup of cold water. It doesn't need to be hot. We're gonna put it in there and mix and let it sit for a little bit. All right, I added maybe another tablespoon of flakes, but we might have something we can work with there. We're gonna have to be gentle and not make them too big because they're gonna be brittle. We need fire. My match broke. We'll get a nice spoonful, more, maybe a 1/8 of a. Ooh, they're breaking. Seeing some crispiness around the edge. We got a nice crispy edge there. It might work better than I thought. Be generous with the oil. Oh yeah, that one crisped up. There we go. Let's set those off. Oh yeah, I was going to try wetting my hands this time. I did hear wet hands were your friends making these patties. Oh yeah, that helps. Wet your hands. You can kind of start to smell them when they get ready to flip. Ooh. Oh my. That one's trying to that one tried to go apart on me, y'all. What do you think? Not too shabby, huh? Yeah. Get a nice big spoonful. Maybe 1/8 to 1/4 of a cup. Just don't mess with it too much. They are fragile. And make sure you lay those patties away from you so you don't get splashback. Now, just for kicks and giggles, since you're probably not going to tote the spatula with you backpacking, let's try a flip one with the spoon. See if my Yuko will double the spatula duty. Woo! You have to make them smaller. But it'll do it. I got one and broke one. About like fried eggs. Alright, there we go. Backpacker tater cakes. Let's see if they're edible. Alrighty, let's see what we did here. Oh yeah. They're crispy on the outside and soft in the middle. Yeah, that works. They're not perfect, but boy, that's simple and easy on the trail. And that's a lot better than a boring old mashed potato. And we'll see you on the trail.